Sounds like bongos. Okay, as you can see now, I got it all sanded down. Took all the rough stuff off and the thick stuff, and then sanded it down with the 400 wet sand. And I taped off all the parts that I wanted to keep from getting some overspray on, like parts of the frames that touched. I even taped off the O2 sensor, and around where the collector is right here. And so I'm gonna get to it and go ahead and shake up. What I'm gonna use first is the Rust-oleum high heat tough protection enamel. Renews grills, wood stoves, and more. It's high heat, and it's rated at where did I see that at? Could have swore it said 1200 degrees. Oh, but anyways, I'm gonna give this a good shake. Okay, I basically coated it with about 3 layers of the spray, and I've got it pretty uniform throughout. You can already see it starting to dry, most of it. And the directions say about give it about an hour before you heat it up or anything. And so in about an hour, I will come back and continue where I left off. Alright, here is the finished product after I have Rust-oleum my exhaust. Comes out pretty good uniformed. Even with the O2 sensor, got that done. There's a little blemish. That might be wet. Other than that, that is the finished product, flat black. That is this side. I may sound a little muffled. That's because I decided to take this opportunity, an hour, to go for a Motorrad. And while it was drying, I think I'm gonna leave it just like that. I'll heat it up and run the exhaust, let it cook and bake a little bit. Then I may or may not go back with another coat just to seal the deal. But stay tuned. Mr. Motorrad out.
I'm a 45 spinning on an old patrol. I'm a 2-strike swinger. I'm a Pepsi Cola. I'm a blue jean quarterback saying I love you to the prom queen.